These are the 5 best websites for Amazon FBA if you're using the arbitrage method. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. We post videos every single Thursday all about Amazon FBA. We are also very active on our other channels as well, so make sure to head down to our description where you can find links to all of them. And as always, let us know in the comments any other videos you would like us to make. But today we're going to be talking about our top 5 websites, places for finding arbitrage deals to sell using the Amazon FBA method. And if this video does well, of course, we will do a part 2 because there is so many websites out there. So if you want to know what websites we recommend for FBA product sourcing, stay tuned and keep watching until the end because we do save the best one until then. So let's get into it with the first website, and it is the website Smiths. So this one here is the Smiths website. Hopefully most people have heard of Smiths already. Smiths is mostly a toy store, and the nice thing about this is that we can do both retail arbitrage, so we can go into shops, and we can do online arbitrage, so we can just do it from the comfort of our own home. Now we find loads and loads of great products on this website, so let me just show you a few which we've found in the last month or so. So we had this cyber strike which we can buy for £5.99. If we head over to Amazon, we can see it selling for £12.47, so a nice difference here. I won't go into all the details today, all the data, but I will just make it pop up on screen. So all of these deals I'm showing you today, we actually sent into our deal of the day. So the screenshots will be from when we sent them in. So if you do wonder why the price might be slightly different, it might have dropped a little bit. Deal of the day is where we send in 1 to 2 deals into our Discord to all of our customers for free, just to give them inspiration on what to look for, where to look, and so on. We don't recommend to buy these deals just because they get seen by so many people. We have over 4,000 people in our Discord, so it really is just for inspiration. And then we had another toy here. So this one was a Sonic the Hedgehog Knuckles figure. We could buy this one for £5.99. It was available for home delivery at the time. We can still get it for click and collect, I believe. But let's have a look. So right now it's selling on Amazon for £17. A massive difference at the moment. There is loads and loads of deals like this with lots of potential for Amazon FBA. So on to website number 2, and it is the website Ocado. So Ocado is obviously online only. They are mostly like an online supermarket, but they've got a great range of products and there's loads of potential deals to be found here. Now the only downside of this website is that it is known that they can cancel orders if they think you're reselling their products. So you do have to be a little bit smarter on how you're ordering products, but as long as you can bypass their restrictions, it is fantastic for online arbitrage deals. So let me show you one which we found recently which went into our deal of the day. So the product is this Tresemme Pro Collection Color Shineplex Conditioner, 400 milliliter, which as you can see we can buy on Ocado for £2.55 each. You can often get discount codes on Ocado as well. I mean, look, we can get one right here if you are a new customer. But let's head over to Amazon where we can see right now it is £7.85. I will make the data pop up on screen from when we sent it into deal of the day, but a really nice price difference and a real lot of potential. Now most people probably will be gated in this brand. Being gated is the big downside about Amazon FBA, but if you were interested in learning how to get ungated, I'll link a video just up here where we run you through the steps. It really does open up your FBA, just getting ungated in as many brands and categories as possible. So before we get into the next website, I did just want to let you know about an exclusive YouTube discount code which can save you money on your Profitl subscription. I'll make it pop up just here. That will save you either 20% on any of our monthly plans, that's forever, or 5% on our yearly plans, and our yearly plans are already discounted at over 50% off, so it is a really big saving. So onto website number 3, and it is the website Game, and I'm sure everybody's heard of this. You will often see them in your high street. So that's another thing about this one. It's available for both online arbitrage and retail arbitrage. I will admit you have a lot more choice on online arbitrage. Their retail arbitrage side, a lot of the good products they don't really have in store. I really like the games on here. You can often make some really good money from here, but not only that, they also sell toys and games which are also really good. So I've got a few examples to show you which we found in our deal of the day. So the first one was this Star Wars Black Series Jar Jar Binks toy figure which we can buy for £9.99. Right now it is £19.89, so well over double the price. I'll make the data pop up on screen from when we sent it into deal of the day. And then the next one we had was another Star Wars. So there's a Star Wars Retro Collection. This one was £2.98, and as we can see it's selling on Amazon for £9, so almost triple the price. So there's a real lot of potential on this deal. On to the fourth website now, and it is the Toy Shop, also known as the Entertainer. So as the name suggests, they sell toys toys. Toys is such a great one for Amazon FBA. I would put it up there with the best category, maybe with beauty as well. So it's a great place to hunt for arbitrage deals. We've got this one here. It's this Fugler Brown Rabbit. We could buy this for £6 each. Right now it's selling on Amazon for £12.49. I do think when we sent into deal of the day, it was a bit more. I'll just make the data pop up on screen. This is the sort of deal you can find. And then we also had this Sonic the Hedgehog toy. So this one was also £6. But if we head over to the Amazon listing, we can see it selling for £12.98. So over double the price. And if you watch our videos, you know we always want at least double the price. That means it adds up for our return on investment after all the fees have been taken care of. So now on to the fifth and final one, and this is our favorite one, or especially my favorite one. There is so many great FBA deals on this website, and the website is Notino. So you may or may not have heard of this website. It's not massively well known, but they sell beauty products and they are really cheap, often running discount codes on their products, which means they're selling for way less than they are on Amazon, which obviously means they're great for Amazon FBA. Now do bear in mind, a lot of the beauty products are gated, so it can be a little bit hard if you are new, but as you become a more experienced seller and you're starting to get ungated in more brands and categories, it's such a great place to find your FBA deals. So let me show you a couple of products which we found recently. So this first one is this a dry oil for your face, but it's £11.70. But the nice thing about Notino and what I mentioned before is the discount codes they have. So if you have a look here, Care 15, so we can actually get it for £9.94. And they don't make it difficult for you either. You haven't got to go and look for the discount codes. They're literally just on the product page. So they're really, really easy to find, which makes our life so much easier and just makes us that little bit of extra profit. As I say, we can buy this one for £9.94. Right now on Amazon, it's £20. I'll make the data pop up on screen from when we sent it into deal of the day. Again, it might be a little bit different, but we can sell this one for £20 on Amazon. And then the next one we have here is this Norwegian Formula Intense Repair, which we can buy for £5.70. It's usually £6.80 as well, so this one is another offer. So if we head over to Amazon now, we can see it selling on here for £13.50. So a really nice difference between the two. So that was our top 5 websites going into 2023. Please do let us know in the comments if you did want a part 2, or if there's any other videos you'd like us to make. We do see all of your comments. We do try to reply to them all as well. And also don't forget to check out our other socials. So we're very active on Instagram. We're also very active on TikTok. You'll find all of the links in the description. But thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.